Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I am going to be doing a video that shows you how to moisturize your hair in braids. But first of all, I want to thank everyone that watched that video of how to get braids. And if you haven't watched that video, click this little thing that popped up. So yeah, I got braids and don't worry, I still got edges because you never want to be tight on that area. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. All my stuff I'm going to use to moisturize my hair is in here. And the first thing I'm going to use is the Braids Moisturizing Aloe Refresher Spray. So I'm just going to spray. Even around the scalp, so that, because that part needs to be moisturized too. And never forget your edges. Okay, so next you want to squeeze in your hair, well, not your hair, but squeeze in the refresher spray inside of your hair. I'm going to be putting the oil along my edges. Just along my edges so that they can grow. I'm going to be putting it along my scalp too. If you want to lay your edges, you could just use a gel or just to like lay them and make it look pretty. So the next thing I do is just put my hair into a ponytail because like I have sports and when you're running you don't want to be like like with your hair everywhere. So I just put it in a low ponytail sometimes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it to the world. And we'll see you in another video. Bye!
Every time I hug you, it looks like I'm sniffing your neck. Like I was like. It was like I was sniffing your neck. Okay, next.